Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mystic Road. In this video, let me take you to visit one of the most beautiful and scenic waterfalls situated in Taiwan, that is the Shifen Waterfall. Shifen is well known for the Shifen Waterfall, a 40-meter tall waterfall that creates a rainbow as it splashes into the lake, widely regarded as the most scenic in all of Taiwan. Shifen Waterfall is a curtain-style waterfall. It is reputed as Taiwan's Niagara for its magnificence, and it's the most popular tourist site in New Taipei City. The waterfall is located 30 minutes away from Shifen Old Street and can be reached by walking along either side of the track in the northeast direction. The voluminous water and mighty force forms mist on the top of the waterfall. If the sun happens to shine upon it, there is the chance to see rainbows hanging over the waterfall and perfect for pictures. watching my video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's stay connected, explore, dream and discover. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.